Hey guys, welcome back. So we're doing another basically an anti-haul. Basically, it's an anti-haul. I mean, it's right there in the title. I mean, what else? Basically, I'm gonna go through a trend mood and just see what the new makeup releases are, what's coming out, and I'm gonna basically pick up from my last basically an anti-haul video. So I'll link that up here, and we'll just discuss like what I think about it. Am I gonna buy it? Probably I'm gonna buy it. Let's be honest. I buy everything, but we'll see. We'll see what's up. There are just so many things coming out right now. It's like, it's ridiculous. I feel like I am constantly like getting new packages in and trying to review things, and it's a lot. And also there's just a ton of holiday releases right now. So this is going to be an exciting one. I feel like there's a lot of good things in here. So if you guys want to know what I think about the newest makeup releases, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm saying. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post sometimes when I can. I do my best, as we all should. And I feel like you're going to be here when I do. If you like anything beauty related, fashion, luxury, any of those things, I feel like it's definitely where you're going to be. So you should subscribe if you're not already. And you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just a K Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day there's real outfit of the day, makeup of the day. Just a bunch of random shit over there, okay? So random. So you should follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. I feel like I want to scooch this way. I feel like I always scooch this way, but I'm going to do it anyways because you guys can see my pumpkin. I feel like I want to start where I left off with my previous video. So I think we're going to start here. There is a new Twilight and She Glam collection. And I have said before, I'm a Twilight girly, okay? I grew up obsessed with Twilight. I was Team Edward. I do have the ColourPop Twilight and New Moon palettes, and I'm very happy with those. But like, what's up? Why is everybody collabing with Twilight? I think Twilight collabed with Glamlight, or there's another brand besides ColourPop that Twilight already collabed with, and now they're collabing with She Glam, and I just don't understand what's up. Is there like a new movie coming out that we don't know about? Like, I'm just really I'm not understanding. This looks kind of boring, to be honest. That eyeshadow palette looks horrible. Those lip colors don't do much for me. I feel like I'm happy with the ColourPop Twilight collab. I feel like that was done pretty well. And this is just, it's not. MAC Lip Erase is back. I told you guys probably in my last, basically an anti-haul video, that the whole entire MAC brand is just so nostalgic for me. It's like I'm obsessed with it just because of all the feelings that it used to give me. They're coming back out with Lip Erase. This used to be a thing and people used to use it before going in with like their lip colors. Basically, you put it on and then you would go in with like your lip pencil and your lipstick, and it's just supposed to make the color appear a little bit more saturated. I feel like this is the most random shit that could have ever come out. Like, out of all the things, it's not like Lip Erase was the most popular thing in the world, right? Like, am I imagining that? Like, were we obsessed with Lip Erase? I don't think we were. But I feel like they only had like 1 or 2 shades in the past, and now they have a plethora of shades. So I'm glad that they're expanding. But just like, who asked them to is what I would like to know. I've never tried the Lip Erase. I've never felt the need to try the Lip Erase. Like, I feel like I prime my brows, I prime my eyes, I prime my face. Like, I think I'm good. Like, I don't need to prime anything else. I'm good, you know? But listen, if you like it, if this is what you want, go off, sis. Tati Westbrook is coming out with some brushes, you guys. I did actually buy her Tati Beauty eyeshadow palette. What was that called again? The Volume 1 Textured Neutrals. I think that's what it was called. I did have that, and I did actually do a video when I got it. So I'll link that video, a very old video. I'll link that video up here. I actually decluttered it because I didn't use it really at all. It just wasn't one of my favorite palettes in the world. There's nothing wrong with the palette. It just wasn't like my favorite thing, you know? I do still watch her channel. Like, to this day, I feel like she still has a good channel. Like, I don't know what you want me to tell you. I'm a little shocked that it's brushes, to be honest. But I don't know. I feel like these could be good brushes. They look very different to anything that I have seen personally. And I feel like I would be interested in trying them out, to be honest. I would. I'm not saying I'm going to because they are a little bit on the pricey side. It's 3 different sets of brushes and each set is like $130. And I'm not feeling like I want to drop that much money on brushes right now. But we'll see. I mean, we'll see. Maybe I will feel like that one day. I wake up and feel like dropping money all the time, so let's see. Fenty Beauty is coming out with some new gloss bomb shades. There is Rose Amber and Gimme Space. I'm not like the world's biggest lip gloss fan, as I'm literally wearing lip gloss right now. I just usually like a matte lip over a glossy lip in general. So I don't know like how excited I am about these. I have to say, they do look really cool. Sparkling Cool Taupe Brown. That looks real cool. The rose amber shade, that's like a special color. Thing is, I usually like very light lip glosses that have sparkle in them. Like I want almost no color, but I want like a lot of sparkle. Don't ask me why, but that's what I like. I feel like Gimme Space looks cool, but I would be more interested for sure in the rose amber. It just looks really, really cool. Lancome is releasing the Teint Idole Ultra Wear Dual Fix Concealer. A double-ended concealer that covers blemishes. Why is it double-ended? Oh, it's a conceal and hide. Okay, I understand. So one side is a concealer, the other side is more of like a MAC Radiant Rose type situation. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, I don't want this. I'm not gonna buy this. There's no way I'm gonna buy this. I mean, it's an interesting concept. I just feel like, first of all, right now, nobody is really highlighting like that. Everyone is using like 3 drops of concealer, okay? Per makeup look, 3 drops of concealer. Not me. I use a shit ton of concealer. But I'm just saying, I don't think that we're really on this highlighting trend at the moment. And I just personally have not bought anything from Lancome in forever, so I'm just not gonna buy it. There's something that is exciting as hell. Natasha Denona releasing 2 eyeshadow palettes. Not 1, but 2. That's 2. When I saw this, I lost my damn mind. I lost it. It was lost, okay? And not only that, I bought them both and I'm wearing one of them on my eyes today. This is the Eye Sculpt Texture and Tone palette in the soft version. Gorgeous. And then the Eye Sculpt Texture and Tone palette in the dramatic version. I couldn't. When I saw it and Natasha Denona on her website had like a pre-sale, immediate purchase of both of them. Immediate. But there's actually more excitement on this post because apparently there's a Neon Dreams eyeshadow palette, which is electric mattes and holographic toppers, coming out summer 2025. Summer 2025 is basically over, so I don't know when that's coming out. And then the High Skin Glow Serum Foundation.
Oh, wait, that's not the foundation.
That might be a new foundation. And then she has a Denona X Vogue edition 12 shade palette celebrating 100 years of beauty trends. Listen, I love Natasha Denona. I have almost all of her eyeshadow palettes. I have just so many freaking things from her. And like, I'm cool with buying all this unnecessary shit if it's Natasha Denona, because you know what? It's quality. It's good. I like it every time. So what's the problem? Urban Decay has lip glaze oils. What is this? What is this packaging? Like, I'm very confused. This doesn't look anything like an Urban Decay packaging. These colors look fine, I guess. I don't know what they're trying to do, but I don't like it. I don't like it. And I'm not buying, I mean, I don't like lip oils in general, but I just feel like that itself doesn't look like Urban Decay. Like, I like when you look at a brand, you're like,
oh, I know exactly what brand that is.
Because their packaging is consistent and everything makes sense. Everything is uniform. That don't make no sense.
Don't make no sense.
Next up is from Beauty Creations. They have a Goosebumps collab. This is crazy because I remember when I was young, my older brother Andrew was obsessed with Goosebumps. He always had the books, and I would always be like,
what is up with you? This is the creepiest shit I've ever seen in my life. Like, why are we looking at this? Why are we reading this? Like, you need to seek help.
But now I'm like, oh, look at Goosebumps. I mean, I'm not gonna get this collab. I was not the one reading the books. Andrew was. So if Andrew wants to get the collab, he can go off this. If you're nostalgic for some Goosebumps, I feel like this might get you where you need to go, you know? Really not doing anything for me, but if it's doing something for you, like, what am I gonna tell you, you know? Tower 28 is collabing with Poppy. What the hell is Poppy? What rock do I live under? I don't know what Poppy is. Apparently there's a Cranberry Fizz Get Set Blur and Set Matte Powder Blush and a Cranberry Frost Shine On Lip Jelly. And it's like, oh, it's like a little holiday set. I do love the Tower 28 blushes. I used one of them today, actually. I used the color Downtown Daiquiri, which is like a bright orange. But
I don't know what the hell is Bobby.
I don't know what Bobby is. But listen, Cranberry Fizz, that sounds cute. I might I might think about it. I don't know. Maybe I'll give the lip jelly to Alana because she really likes a lip gloss. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. This looks interesting. I mean, I wish I knew what Poppy was, but that seems more like a me problem. Stop it right now. Medicube has a new, oh, it's available now, a new hydrating gel cleanser. It's called the PDRN hydrating gel cleanser, and I read that as a different word, and that's all I'm gonna say about that. That's all I'm gonna say, because that's all I'm gonna say. I actually use right now a Medicube cleanser. Obviously it's not this one, it's a different one. I will probably link it in the description box because I have no freaking idea what it's called. I do really, really like it though. And this is the only Medicube product that I've ever tried. So I don't know, like I can't speak for like all their other products, but I do really like that cleanser. So I feel like this has to be like a good cleanser, right? I mean, I don't know what PDRN is, but it's supposed to deep cleanse without stripping, leave your skin plump, smooth, radiant, blah, blah, blah. It sounds great. It sounds great. And I honestly don't doubt that it's going to do exactly what it says it's going to do. So if you're interested, go off. I'm just really happy with the other Medicube cleanser that I use right now. So like, I'm not going to switch. Jisoo is launching a Vanilla Cloud body butter. I could get down with a nice body butter. I'm not saying I'm going to buy this, but like I could, you know, I could, I might, who knows what I end up doing, right? I just feel like I need moisture right now. Okay. You guys know my baby is sucking the moisture out of my skin, out of my face, out of my arms, out of my stomach, out of my legs. Like it's ridiculous. I'm like constantly applying lotion, and it's just like, he's just sucking it all out. Like, what do I do? So I could definitely get down with a nice body butter. We need a body butter. This body needs a butter. Okay. That's it.
That's it.
Oh, Jisoo is also launching, what is this? Lip oils. First of all, this packaging, I love it. I love this packaging so much. Like, I don't know why, but the bottles dancing like that is just doing everything that I needed to do. Again, I don't do lip oil really, so I'm not going to be getting it. I mean, those look interesting. If you like a lip oil, I don't think you'll be disappointed. I don't know. I've never tried anything from Jisoo, I don't think. Fenty Beauty has a bunch of holiday little mini sets. I don't usually fall for the whole mini set thing. I'm gonna be honest with you, you know? I feel like everything that I want from Fenty Beauty, I already have. So like, why do I need this? The only one that's like semi-interesting, and I do mean semi, because as I've already explained, I don't really care that much about gloss, is that center one, because I can see the Gloss Bomb stacks there. And I did just pick up the one that's like blue and purple and white. I don't think it's in that order. I think it's like white, blue, purple maybe. And I think those are freaking cool. I think they're cool. But like I said, I don't wear gloss that much. So it's like, and these are not really my colors. That orange color, I can't stand. I do not like an orange gloss, like for shit. The other two are nice. But like, I don't think I'm going to pick up any of these. I'll be so mad at myself if I do. But if I was going to pick up one, it would be the Gloss Bombs one. I'm telling you right now. She Glam is also launching a cushion foundation. I mean, that's a lot of colors, I'm going to be honest. But I mean, that doesn't mean that I'm going to get it. Actually, I think I'm on a foundation like hiatus right now. I have so many foundations, especially new foundations. And I'm just like, I can't bring another foundation. I can't bring another one into this house.
I can't do it.
So we're not going to do it is the answer. We're not going to do it. Either way, I wouldn't be interested in this anyways. Like, I think I'm okay, you know, thank you so much. But I think we're good. I think we're good here. Milk Bar and Bath and Body Works. I don't know what is Milk Bar? Why am I so out of the loop that I don't know what anything is? I don't know what Milk Bar is. But it says it's birthday cake flavored, and that sounds good as hell. I love a candle, obviously. Especially now that it's like fall time. I'm lighting all the candles in this bitch. So this is exciting. This is exciting. I mean, again, I don't know what the hell Milk Bar is. But the scent sounds like I'm gonna like it. Okay, I like that. So I would love my house to smell like birthday cake. So yeah. We might pick up that candle. The rest of it means nothing to me. But the candle, I would do that. Oh my God, look at it. It just looks delicious. Like, why am I hungry now? I quite literally just had a cake pop from Starbucks, quite literally. And the dogs had their first pup cups ever, because my dogs have like really sensitive stomachs. Like everything bothers them. It doesn't matter what it is, everything bothers them. So I've been really scared to give them a pup cup, like, well, just whipped cream, you know. I've been scared, but today we let them live on the edge, okay? If they lived on the edge and they tried it, let's see, hopefully their stomachs are good. Why are we talking about Dove right now? I feel like Dove being mentioned on this page is the most random shit that I've ever seen. But okay, Dove has cranberry and orange peel scents, and also maple and glazed donut. No, I don't want my deodorant to smell like maple glazed donut. A cinnamon pumpkin pie body scrub. Like, I don't know, for some reason, I feel like some of these things would just transfer as BO. Like, I'm okay with my house smelling like that, you know? But like, do my pits need to smell like that? I just don't think that's a good scent for the pits, you know? Last thing we're going to talk about is a blush from Burberry. Has Burberry always had makeup? I haven't heard shit about Burberry makeup, but they have this compact blush. Comes in what, 6 colors, $49 each. Actually, you know, $49 for a Burberry blush. It's not as bad as I would have thought. Like for Burberry, you know? But what's up with the compact? Like, why did they split it up like that and then put that stupid ass brush in there? No one wants these brushes. Has no one learned? We didn't ask you for these brushes, and you know why? It's because we don't want it. We don't want these brushes, so I don't know what they're doing. And they're gonna charge you $49 for half a fucking compact. Like, no thanks. I think I'm good. That's another thing. I can't buy a blush right now. There's just no solitary way I can buy a blush right now. It's bad. It's bad. So I'm not going to, and especially not that one. All right, so those are all of the new things that are coming out. Let me know, are you excited about any of these? Are any of these just like the top of your wishes? I'm like really dying to know, like, from all the things that we talked about today, what is at the top of your wish list? I'm obviously very excited about my Natasha Denona palettes. Honestly, that's probably the most exciting thing to me, and I already bought it. So does that tell you something? I don't know. I don't think anything else is really gonna make its way into my collection. Maybe the Tati brushes. Like, I would look at those because they look very interesting. They don't look like all the other brushes that are on the market. They don't look like, you know, Sigma or like BK Beauty. They look different. But that's pretty much it. Everything else is just like, it's not interesting. We don't need this. None of this is fun. I feel like the holiday sets are only starting to like trickle out, but there's gonna be so much more. I mean, at least that's what I think. My prediction is there's gonna be way better sets coming out. I know Sephora has like a shit ton of sets out right now. Again, none of those have done anything for me really. So it's just, I feel like this is a good waiting game. You know, let's be patient because I think really good things are coming. But let me know what you guys think. Is there anything here that is just like, you must have it? But let me know in the comments. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to hit a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I don't know.
This is right.
Ah, okay. Never
It says, I mean, here it says rounding to the nearest 100. So the nearest 100 will be 200. That's correct.